In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Zapier. By the end, your Microsoft Outlook account will be securely connected to Zapier so you can start building automations that save time across email, calendar, and contacts. First, head to the Zapier website and sign into your account so you're on your dashboard. If you're new to Zapier, make sure you can access it in a modern browser and that pop-ups are allowed for the site. This matters in a moment when the authorization window opens. On the left-hand sidebar, click Apps to open your App Connections area. This is where you manage all the services Zapier can talk to on your behalf. Click the Add Connection button. This tells Zapier you want to securely link a new app to your workspace. In the search box, type Microsoft Outlook and select the option labeled Microsoft Outlook. You may see similarly named options, but for standard Microsoft 365 mailboxes, Microsoft Outlook is the right choice. A new window will open asking you to sign into your Microsoft 365 account. If you're already signed into Microsoft in your browser, you might simply be asked to confirm the account. If you have more than one account, be sure to pick the one tied to the mailbox you want Zapier to use. If your organization requires multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt as usual. In some workplaces, you might see a message that admin approval is required. If so, you'll need an administrator to approve Zapier before you can continue. Next, you'll be asked to grant Zapier permission to access your Outlook data, things like reading and sending emails, managing calendar events, and working with contacts. These permissions allow Zapier to trigger automations when something happens in Outlook and to perform actions you set up, like creating events or sending emails. Review the permissions and click Accept or Allow to continue. When authorization completes, the window closes and you'll return to Zapier. You should now see Microsoft Outlook listed as a connected app in your Apps area, typically with a confirmation indicator showing it's active. From here, you're ready to use Microsoft Outlook in your SAPs. When you create an automation, choose Microsoft Outlook as a trigger or action and select the connection you just added. If you run into issues, check that your browser didn't block the pop-up, confirm you selected the correct Microsoft account, and ensure your organization's policies allow third-party app connections. That's all you need to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Zapier. Thanks for watching.